Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the month, and this is for the month of August 2021. So welcome back. I haven't seen you guys for a little while, but I wanted to jump on and open up this package and see what's in there. But like we've done in the past, before I get to the August 2021, let's go back and let's review last month. So last month, well, for July of 2021, we were sent this hobo pattern, this hobo bag pattern here, and we were given 2 skeins of painted cotton from Knitting Fever, and I got the color of Tropical Lily is what I got. And so each one of these is 7 ounces and it's 357 yards, and it's 100% cotton. So for the last 2 months, for June and July, we have gotten this brand of cotton. So this bag, did I make this bag? Yes. But did I use this color here? No. What I did is I used the month before, was June of 2021, we got that orange color of this cotton, and so I made the bag out of that, and let me show you that. And so it's a little bit smaller than the size, but that is the hobo bag. And what I did for it, let me pop it there, there you go. And what I did for it is, you can see that down at the bottom, I added some fringe. And then I also, on the inside, I put a liner. And I used the whole skein. And that you can see also too that I put a little pad up here on the top for the shoulder. And it still is a crossbody bag. So that's one side. And there is the other side. I used the pattern that was given to us from Mary Maxim, and that's what I made. And it was one full skein. I had like 0 left over. All of the fringe down there, I ran out using the fringe. So that's what I did for the hobo bag. But what did I do with the yarn for last month? I made the top that I'm wearing. So let me show you this. I'm gonna stand up for a second, let you take a closer look. And you can see the link there. Front and back are relatively the same, and you're like, wait a minute, that's not what that yarn looked like. And that's true, because it took me a long time. I mean, literally took me almost 3 weeks to make this top. Where I got this pattern from, let me grab my paper here. This is called Flowers in the Sky from Drops Design at Garn Studio, and I modified the little motifs a little bit, but really this is what the top kind of looks like. Like these are a touch smaller, like the small motifs are supposed to be 6 centimeters across, and they are, but my yarn was a bit bigger, and so I had to downsize my hook, etc., to get what I wanted out of it. So it took both of the skeins, and I had like maybe a handful of the yarn left over, but you can see these are solid colors, and that yarn from last month was not. The yarn from last month, as you can see, was a striping yarn, variegated yarn. So what I had to do was actually unwind the yarn, and I was joining them together. So as I came out with a solid color, I would just join the yarn together. There are some that are multicolor, but for the most part, I try to keep it a solid color. And so, like I say, for that, if you like this top, it's at Garn Studio, Drops Design, Flowers in the Sky, and the number is 78-19. So that's what I did. Okay, so let's move on to August. I'm super excited. I just finished making the bag, and so I'm ready, because I was making a lot of stuff this month. Like I say, this took me forever. And so now I'm ready to move on to this month. So I'm excited to see what I got. For those who are not aware, the first month you get Mary Maxim, it's $9.99 plus shipping. The next month after that, and every successive month, is $14.99. This guy, I've been getting Mary Maxim now for a little over a year, and I like Mary Maxim quite a bit. And the last 3 or 4 months have been really fantastic. Let me see what I feel in here. I think There's one, two, a little fat there. It feels like there's at least 3 or 4 skeins. I don't think there's cakes this time. So let's get in here and see what we got. And I have my computer over there. You don't see it, but I have my computer so we can look and see what the cost of the yarn is if we have time. I have to be very careful on this one because this bag is really tight. So, okay. I think I got something going here. Okay. And like always, it comes in a nice plastic bag, and I use those bags all the time. Let's see, check my price, $14.99. And for me, my shipping went down again. It's now $4.99 for shipping. Guys, the shipping is going down from these guys. So I'm all in for $19.98. Happy, happy. Okay, let's see what we got. Let go. Uh-oh. Baby stuff. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Let me grab the pattern first. This is the pattern. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Oh, hexagon blanket, 32 inches wide. Look at that center, guys. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh, wait. Sink it blanket. There's enough yarn in here for 2 baby blankets, guys. So, and I might make them, actually. Let's look at the yarn. Okay, my first one, ooh, that's soft. I have 4 skeins. I have never heard of this yarn. It is called Super Soft Zeeman. And that's the color. That's coming through correctly. Let's look at it. Color 61, Super Soft Zeeman. Never heard of it. It's going to be from somewhere else. 50 grams, 199 meters. Let's see. 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide. Let's see if I can see where it's from. It looks like it's from the Netherlands. Ooh, that is soft. So I have 4 skeins of that. And this looks like it's a 3. Let me show you the size there. Maybe even, I mean, it's a smaller 3. This is going to whip up pretty fast. Very pretty color. I don't have any grandkids. You guys know that I don't have any grandkids. But that won't stop me from making a blanket. Here we have the Zeman Royal 100. And they sell it at Knitting Wool Sales. Let's see what it is. These are 100 grams. These are 50 gram balls. And that is not in English terms here. I might have to look it up and post it up above. So I have 4 of those. I'm thinking that it's not very expensive based on what I'm seeing here. So I have 4 of these guys. And then I have 4 of these pretty pink. I am not a fan of pink. You guys know that. But this is a pretty pink. I may find someone to give this to for sure. But same material, 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide. Where are the washing instructions? Machine, looks like it's machine wash, no dry, no ironing. Looks like you lay flat. This one says $0.89, so I don't know if that's the price or not. So that's what we have for this month. Like I say, I may make the blankets and then donate them. I don't know. I don't usually use pink, and if I did make it, I'd make this blanket. That blanket is cute, and then donate it away. But that's what I'm seeing so far, guys. If you guys are into baby blankets, this is going to be the month for you. Let's see if I can find it. If not, like I say, Zeeman Super Soft Yarn, blue color. The only place I'm seeing it at the moment is eBay, and it says they want $4.95 for a skein of it, but that seems a bit much. That's what I'm seeing. This must be one of those ones that's kind of no longer available anymore, because I'm not finding it real quick. So the price on here says $99. I don't think $4.95 is correct, so I'm going to say this month with 8 skeins, we might be a little bit under, but we do have 2 patterns, so keep that in mind. I usually say it's $3 to $5 for a pattern, and so the patterns might be worth it for us. Okay, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Let's see what we're going to make and see what we're going to do, and I will talk with you next time. Have a fantastic day, y'all. Bye.